posts in. Her ears are clean and dry. So we're going to put that foam rubber that doesn't have any tape on it down in the pocket, and we're going to pull her ear straight up like this. Stick that stick in, you hold her ear up, lay the tape on the tip, go around, don't pull the tape, especially at the tip. It's the very easiest place to cut off the circulation. Then on the base of the ear, again I go away from the crown. See, we want to pull that bend out. Pick their ear up, and when you come around, you want to make sure you keep that fold in. Right there. You want to maintain the fold. Almost done. And stick it in place. Now you can do the other side. Pick up the ear, screw this into the pocket, lay it against the ear. Tape away from the crown, lay the tape on the tip, don't pull the tape, start at the base, keep sticking to it, go around, maintain your fold here. Wait a minute, hang on, be patient, we're almost done. This is a little easier if they have a collar on. You can kind of hook your pinky into the collar. When you're done, they should look like that. Reward your dog. She's too hot. I don't know if she'll eat her cookie. You hot, honey? Here, look, here's your cookie. Sit still. There it is. Good girl. Now sometimes, if their sticks kind of get the Yoda look to them where they're going out too far and you don't like the way your ears look, if you take your tape and you make a figure 8, here honey, hold still, figure 8 around this way and squeeze it together in the middle, it will pull them back up into place. The problem is that also gives them or any other dog a way to hook onto it and pull it off, so I usually don't use that. This usually is enough, and just a matter of time. You got to be diligent. Don't give up, keep taping.